Matt started his YouTube journey when he was just 14 years old, that was about 9 years ago as of 2024. He was making $3,000 a month by the time he was 15, and over $9,000 a month by the time he graduated high school. Matt does not want you guys to have to wait. He wants you to have the potential of making money from day one. With this unique method, it is honestly crazy to him how a lot of people overlook this method. Matt does not blame them though, cause when Matt first started on YouTube, Matt did as well. Make money on YouTube from day one. His name is Matt Parr. He runs 12 different YouTube channels without ever even showing his face on the majority of them. In this video, Matt is going to be showing you the smart way to make money on YouTube from day one, without making videos. This means that you have the potential to make money with this before ever getting monetized, or having to worry about any of that. If you don't know, most channels have to wait 4,000 hours of watch time and get 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize their content. Have you ever seen anybody with money, without a partner? Hey there friends. My name is Oliver. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be exploring Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, free course. You are fortunate to have picked this video to view. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his intelligent strategy plus his completely zero-cost training. Let us get straight into step 1, choose your niche. This is one of the most crucial steps in this, because we need to choose a niche based on whether this will work within a certain category of content. Matt is going to try to give you as much value as he can in as little amount of time. If you plan on using this method of making money on YouTube from day one, from the start Matt would recommend the Make Money Online niche or the Health niche. Step number 2 is to plan your content. Super simple to do. You just need about 30 video ideas. Matt recommends getting half of those ideas from popular videos. Just search them up on YouTube, see what comes up. Sort the videos by the most popular uploaded within the past 6 months. Then just take note at all the video ideas that have over 100,000 views on them, get 15 of those, and then for your remaining 15 video ideas, go to a tool like vidIQ. Search your niche and take note of those top keywords. Then search those keywords on YouTube to see how you could integrate them into a video idea. Make sure that the video ideas you are modeling have over 100,000 views. Step number 3 is setting up your channel. Super simple to do, make a YouTube account. If you are watching this, you probably already have a Google account. Making a channel is very easy. Matt has a video going over all the crucial steps with doing this and all the key optimization features that most people miss. If you just go in and do that, you'll have a well-optimized channel. Super simple to do. You can set it up in 10 to 20 minutes, and for the logo and channel art you can simply use a program called Snappa. They have tons of built-in templates. Step number 4, generating content, and this is a part where a lot of people get hung up. But Matt wants to make this as simple as he possibly can for you. So if you are going to be doing stock-based content, channels like Brainy Dose or Body Hub do a lot of this. Even World According to Briggs, which is a travel channel that gets millions of views per month, does this. All of these channels use a lot of stock clips throughout their content. You can look into websites like storyblocks.com, which offers unlimited stock content at a low monthly price. It's fantastic that you came by. That's what Matt personally uses, but if you don't want to pay any money at first, you can also look into pixabay.com and Pexels, which are completely free, but a little bit more limited in the scope of the content you can get. Then for editing your videos, here's a list of all of the best video editors for editing stock content together. You can also even use editors like InVideo, or Veed.io, which have tons of stock content built into them. So if you sign up for one of those websites that are online video editors, you can have the stock content built into them, and easy to add to your videos. But there are other ways of generating content. For example, you can create whiteboard animation videos, and software like VideScribe are really good for that. If you are doing animated videos, you can look into software like Animaker. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. If you are doing content following fair use, where you use videos from YouTube, you can use basically any of those free editors. For thumbnails, his recommendation is using Snapper.com, due to the fact that they have tons of different thumbnail templates. Now that being said, if you have more money than time, then you can potentially look into places like Upwork.com, where you can hire people to make the videos for you. Matt is well past that point, so he is hiring people to make the videos on all of his different YouTube channels. That's how Matt is concurrently running all of those channels. Matt has tons of videos here on his channel, of how to essentially create a video creation assembly line, to get people to do each of these steps of the process for you. Step 4 is actually the secret step, that is going to allow you to have the potential of making money on YouTube from day one. This is a step that so many people overlook, and that is pairing your channel with a high payout commission product. You might be saying, Matt, what did you just say there? Answer: a high payout commission product is a digital product that you can find on websites like DGStore24 or ClickBank.com. Sign up to either one of those websites, go to their affiliate marketplace. Click the promote button next to the product that is related to your niche. These are products that you can promote, and for every sale that you get a percentage of that sale. Matt's recommendation to you is to choose products that you would get at least a $250 to $500 commission from. So for example, if you are promoting a $1,000 digital course such as his course to Mastery, Monetization is on there and they give 50% of that, then you would make $500 per sale. That checks off that box. Now you might be saying, Matt, how would this allow you to make way more than most people? Well, think about this for a second. Even if you do everything wrong, even if you barely even get a couple thousand views per month on your channel, we are almost finished. Hang in there. You could still potentially get some affiliate sales and make some decent money promoting one of these products. And that's why it is so crucial that we choose a great niche where there are these products. That is why it is so good that you are watching this video. If you get just 20 sales per month, and you get a $500 commission on each of those sales, you are making $10,000 per month. And there's channels out there like one of his students, Key. He is only getting 60 to 100,000 views a month on his channel, and he's making over 10,000 a month from very cheap software that Matt promotes within his videos, and that Matt gets a recurring commission on. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. So he's not even primarily doing high payout partner products. He is getting a little bit more into that now, but you can just imagine the potential for this. For example, if you make a video about weight loss, throw in an affiliate link to a weight loss supplement. Boom. You'll make money for every sale that you refer. But like Matt said, the best types of products are going to be digital products, that give you a high amount per sale, because then The manufacturer doesn't have to pay for the fulfillment of that product, and it can get delivered automatically. It is a win-win-win for everybody, and that's why Matt suggests high payout commission products, from places like ClickBank or DG Store. Step number 5, upload your videos and start earning money. Once you have your videos ready, you got your affiliate product that you've signed up for to promote, you've got your magic link, so anytime someone clicks through that link and buys, you'll get a commission from it. If you are using DG Store to promote a link, make sure that you copy that link, put it in an incognito browser, go all the way through to the checkout page of that link, and make sure that in the bottom corner is your affiliate ID. That will mean that your link is working and you are ready to get started doing this. Matt recommends choosing a consistent schedule to upload videos. One of the best is simply 3 videos per week. But if you want, you can even take this to the next level. Do daily videos, but really, a minimum of 3 videos per week in the beginning is more than adequate. Most of the time, 30 to 60 videos will be enough for the algorithm to start picking up your channel. So if you are going to do this, make sure you stick with this for the long run. You upload a minimum of 30 to 60 videos, trust Matt, it is so worth it. The epic thing about YouTube is that your videos can live on forever. They can keep getting views forever, and you can potentially make money for as long as you are getting views. For example, you could be traveling, sleeping, doing whatever with your life, and potentially still making money. Right now, Matt is sitting here on a vacation in Costa Rica. Matt just went ziplining yesterday, and all the while he is getting views on his YouTube videos, making money from ad revenue. Matt was a completely broke high school student in around 2015. At the time, he did have a YouTube channel. He would just upload backyard stunts, gaming videos with his friends and that sort of thing. He would be lucky if he had a video get 10 views. Matt Par went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making greater than $30,000 a month with YouTube within 8 years. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. As at 2024, Matt is about 23 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. People who have money always have a partner. I think that we have given you enough information for now. Take it from us, the best thing that you can do for yourself is, go to the description below and click on the link to take you to Matt's free training. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.